A very good morning to all of you. Thank you so much for joining us on Breakfast at Fiji One. I know that you've been enjoying the Talano sessions that we've been having so far with Rowena and Jonathan, together with our guest. But we will continue our conversation this morning with a business relations manager for BSP Life, Fanny Hereniko Morris. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, thank you, Tivita. Good morning.
Good morning. Such a pleasure to have you on our set this morning. But thank you for coming in early, though. This is normal for you, normal start time for you?
Being a mom of 3 children, we have to wake up early, got to make lunch and get them ready for school.
Of course. Now, before we continue, if you can just tell us a little bit about BSP Life.
Sure. Well, BSP Life has been in Fiji for over 145 years. First policy was written in 1876, so I guess back then I wasn't born. But yeah, we've been in Fiji for quite a long time, and we are leading health and life insurance provider here in Fiji. Okay. Backed up by, we've got over 10 locations of offices around Fiji. BSP Life now has an investment portfolio of over 1.2 billion now. Wow. Looking back to 2015, it was just at 526 million, but now we've really grown. And we are certain that we'll continue to grow years to come to provide the best returns for our customers. Okay.
What is insurance? For those that are watching this one, sometimes we speak to them about insurance. They don't know what it is. It's like, oh, we have to pay some sort of money somewhere, and maybe we get something, maybe we don't. But for clarification, for our viewers, tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, in Fiji, family and community is at the heart of everything that we do. And when someone passes away, it's not just the immediate family that feels the loss. You know, it's the whole village, the church, the matangali. We come together in a soli to help, giving what we can to support the family. But sometimes, especially when the loss is sudden, the family struggles with bills. You know, you got rent to pay, funeral costs, and so on. So the reality is, soli does help. But it can also put a heavy burden on everybody. So life insurance is simply a way of taking that burden away before it ever happens. So it's a promise that if something happens to you unexpectedly, your family won't be left struggling. So instead, there's financial support ready to help with the things that matters most, and that's basically, you know, keeping the children in school, paying the day-to-day bills, and ensuring that family keep living without you in the picture anymore. So with life insurance, it's like you saying to the Vanua, your church, your Matagali, you know, I've taken care of this part. So you don't have to. It's still love, still communal care. So basically, it's love, responsibility, and peace of mind all wrapped in one. It's like planting a coconut tree. We've got a lot of coconut tree here in Fiji. You don't enjoy the fruit today. But when life storm comes, you got shelter and sustenance. So we don't buy insurance because we'll die. We buy it because the people we love will live financially.
Okay. Now, a lot of people are still confused about insurance and also financial institutions. Like, for example, whenever they look at BSP Life, they say, oh, is this still BSP? Are we still going to get money over? But if you can explain the difference between the two, insurance and financial institutions.
Of course. Let me put in some context. So people often ask, you know, if I already have FNPF, for example, or a bank account and I'm doing my savings, do I really need insurance? And the honest answer is yes, because each of them serve a different purpose. So let me explain briefly. For FNPF, it's your retirement backbone, and it's there to help you when you reach 55 or when you retire, giving you that access to the funds you've built over the years of hard work. Right? So think of it as like a lifetime or long-term retirement fund to live on when you stop working. But what if you don't make it to 55? You know, what if life takes a sudden turn? And then you got savings in the bank, for example. It's for short-term and emergency needs. Your bank savings help you with day-to-day needs, right? But it can run out quickly because you've got that power in your hand to, you know, go and swipe and withdraw money. And savings don't pay for your family if you pass away. Your bank savings might help you grow money, but life insurance protects your life while you're doing that. Now we differentiate that with life insurance. Life insurance fills the biggest gap of the unknown. Right? What if you pass away early? What if you get seriously ill? So life insurance provides your family with a financial cushion when they need it most. We give out a lump sum payout to your loved ones should something unexpected happen to you. We also provide saving quietly over time with bonuses added every year. So last year you would have seen that BSP Life paid out $43 million in bonus to our policyholders.
Wow, okay.
Yeah, so we also have plans that even pay out while you're still alive. So you get money back every 3 years. You get money back, after the 10th year of paying your policy term.
So they don't have to wait for someone to die in order to get the money.
So it's not about just death altogether that you take up a life insurance policy. There's savings and investment element in it where you get some money back while you're still alive. I want to share some data with you.
Please go right ahead.
Last year we paid out 99 million in customer benefits, out of which 70% was for people who were living.
Wow!
So they lived for the term of the policy. They lived for 15 years, 18 years. So there's an element of savings and investment that you can get back to meet your short-term and medium-term goals.
I think that's a misconception with people who, whenever they think of life insurance, they always think, oh, my family is going to be reaping the benefits of whatever I'm investing into this. But now that you've mentioned that 70% of the payout was for people that are still alive, it just goes to show the commitment that you have for your customers.
Of course.
One of the demographics that you're focused on mostly are young people. Why do you think young people should take up life insurance?
Okay. Well, again, let me just share some data.
Please.
So World Bank report on Fiji health sector, they did a study last year, and they highlighted that 85% of death in Fiji is purely linked to non-communicable diseases. And 64% of these are working age group, young people, millennials joining the workforce. So many young people think that life insurance is only for the older folks, for those with families. But actually, starting young is one of the smartest financial move anyone can make. Age doesn't matter. So there are a few reasons to it. One, the low premiums you pay with big benefits over time. Because you're younger, the risk of death is low. So for example, a 25-year-old in Osori might pay $15 a week and build up thousands of dollars over 15 years. So money grows with the bonuses that we pay out on a compounding basis every year. Secondly, forced saving that you can't touch easily. It's like saving account that helps you build money consistently because you can't easily withdraw it whenever you want. It helps many young Fijians resist the temptation to spend and save towards bigger goals. So like a house deposit, education, or starting a business, or even planning your marriage if you're still single and you're planning for a marriage. The third point is basically protection from life unexpected terms. So life insurance doesn't just pay out when you pass away, like I mentioned to you. There's many policies where we provide money back every now and again. So for young people, it's not only protecting your life, but there's some savings backed up for you in the long term. So it's an opportunity that I'd say young people should not take for granted, because we're a growing company, BSP Life, and we are certain that investing now, there's surely a lot of returns anyone can get from us.
Fanny, I would like to show a QR code that our viewers would be interested to see and also get more information. What is this QR code? Where does this QR code take them?
Okay, so if you're listening in this morning and you are interested to get a free life insurance quotation from us, there's a QR code that would be shown up on the screen. Please scan it. There's only 5 short questions, should not take less than 1 minute, where you fill in your details, and one of our financial insurance advisor will get in touch with you for a life insurance quotation. But before you do that, I urge that you look at your budget, have a look at your affordability. How much can you put aside every payday towards savings and investment that will benefit you in the future? Put in that amount and we'll be sure to get back to you with a quote or a plan.
Oh, there you go. You'd be surprised, Fanny, with the amount of young people that's walking around without any life insurance. I know 2 of them that's in studio at the moment, Rowena and Jonathan. But again, for those that are watching this morning, Fanny, any last comments you'd like to leave with them?
Yeah, just so you know, BSP Life's been here for quite a long time, like I mentioned, over 146 years. But if you are in Suva in the Central Division, do stop by my office, level 2 Pacific House. We also have our sales offices in Osori, Samambula, Nandi, Lautoka, and Labasa. So no matter where you are, there's someone nearby to help you with a plan. You can even reach us on our Facebook BSP Life page, as well as our website, bsplife.com.fj. But again, like I said, before you call us, have a look at your budget, because this isn't a one-year deal. Life insurance is a commitment. Sometimes, like I said, depending on the term, 10 years, 15 years, 18 years. So we don't want to rush you. We'll sit with you, we'll listen, and we want to understand what your need is and how much your affordability is before we recommend the best fit plan for you. So the question that I want to put to the audience today is, will you protect the life you love? So let's take bold steps today. If you don't have an insurance policy, do reach out to BSP Life. We'll be more than happy to provide a plan that suits your need. Without that, insurance is, it's something that we should really consider as a need now. Eh?
Thank you very much, Fanny, for coming on the set this morning. We wish you all the best, and also thank you very much for giving us that information. A lot of people have now learned that insurance is important, and also where to go if they would want to hear more about this. Thank you very much.
Naka.
Stay with us. We've got more for you straight after this.